Have you ever wondered where to touch someone, where to touch a woman in a way that makes her feel deeply connected and excited about a relationship? Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind creating magical and electrifying connections through touch. This video will reveal 13 places women love to be touched. But more than that, it will show you how these touches can deepen attraction and create a harmonious, united relationship. Understanding the power of touch can truly transform everything, whether you're not yet dating or already in a relationship. We'll break these 13 touch points into 2 stages, before dating and during the relationship, guiding you on how to navigate each phase with confidence and charm. Imagine touching her hand just the right way, giving her butterflies, or gently grazing her back to provide comfort and reassurance. We'll explore these subtle yet powerful gestures and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have the insights needed to master the art of intimate and meaningful connections. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of deeper, more fulfilling relationships? Let's dive into the 13 places women want to be touched, and learn how you can make each touch count. Discover where you can touch a woman so she feels the flame of passion burn for you. This isn't just about technique, it's about connection, and it's magical, wonderful, and utterly unique. One of the reasons we all crave relationships is to find that deep, genuine connection. But before we dive into these transformative insights, I'd like to take a moment to connect with you. If you find value in this content and want to empower your relationships, please consider supporting us. For any gentleman looking to form a meaningful bond with a woman, understanding how to touch her is crucial. I don't want to come across as too forward, but without physical contact, it's incredibly difficult to foster attraction. However, you must be mindful if you want a relationship where both partners feel happy and understood. Some couples share an extraordinary connection because they understand each other. Knowing the right places and ways to touch her becomes essential, and this video will demonstrate how to become adept at it. I'll show you something that offers more than just using your hands. It's intriguing, and if you're committed to learning this skill, stay tuned for valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Now, let's explore the 13 touch points, divided into 2 stages. The first stage is when you aren't yet dating her, and the second begins once you're in a relationship. In the early stages, when you're not yet dating, you need to approach touch with caution and care. Start with her hand. Touching her hand doesn't necessarily mean she's interested, but light contact can be a powerful way to break the touch barrier. For instance, when you hand her something, let your fingers lightly brush hers. This small gesture can spark butterflies in her stomach. Next, consider touching her arm. Whether you're sharing a moment or having a fun conversation, lightly touching her arm can help you connect in a non-threatening way. It's a charming gesture that helps ease conversation and builds intimacy. Another great area is her back. This is ideal when you're walking beside her or bending down to talk. A gentle touch near her shoulder blades provides comfort and reassurance. It's an incredibly powerful yet subtle way to make her feel safe and cared for. Now, as you progress into the relationship, physical touch becomes more natural. Sitting beside her and allowing incidental contact, such as your knee brushing hers, can create a quiet but profound sense of connection. And don't underestimate the power of a simple, sincere hug. A heartfelt hug can generate deep intimacy, even if you're not officially in a relationship yet. Offering your arm while walking with her is another charming gesture. Especially when she's wearing heels or walking on uneven ground, this small act of protection shows you care and makes her feel secure. Offering your arm is a classic and beautiful way to build connection. Now, let's talk about touching her hair. If you're already in a relationship, gently tucking her hair behind her ear or brushing it away from her face can make her feel feminine and cared for. However, always be mindful, some women prefer not to have their hair touched, so read the situation carefully. Touching her face is another intimate gesture. When you're kissing her, placing your hand gently on her cheek can enhance the connection, turning a kiss into a tender, loving moment. As the relationship deepens, holding her waist becomes a natural way to foster closeness. Whether you're hugging or simply standing close, placing your hands on her waist creates a sense of intimacy and helps her feel more connected to you. Another often overlooked but powerful place to touch is her knee. When you're sitting together, resting your hand on her knee can make her feel grounded and close to you. However, always be cautious and respectful of her comfort level. Now, let's move on to the neck. While grabbing her neck is never a good idea, lightly placing your hand there during an intimate moment, like when you're fixing her hair or moving in for a kiss, can be incredibly romantic. Lastly, her mouth. While kissing is the most obvious way to connect here, even small gestures, like gently wiping something off her lips, can break the touch barrier in an adorable and intimate way. We've now covered the first stage, when you're not yet in a relationship, and the second stage, when you are. Each touch can deepen your connection and help foster a loving, lasting bond. Remember, the key to mastering these gestures is understanding the woman you're with and using them with respect and care. Are you ready to put these techniques into practice? By mastering the power of touch, you can create a magical connection that she will cherish forever.